In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, hold your display and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show. When they do, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now operate this slider under Upsize to adjust it. And then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!